Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
CHZ generally faces obstruction at $20, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. CHZ down roughly 254% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ pair exchanging underneath MA20 in a very huge way. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the exact past week, acquiring 17%. Exhibiting that CHZ down around 254% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely critical. 28 February 2024. In this video, we will especially walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly most certainly sought clarification on some things facts, what really is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, especially as CHZ. And in every way that really matters, wise interest in a very significant manner, Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they for the most part thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging certainly profound into the CHZ's specialized investigation in every practical sense, let us most certainly discuss the very current economic situations, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $237, 612, 272, 306, which especially is very critical. The truly all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $163, 559, 595, 374, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16-33%. Lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking, which brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, which basically is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, which basically is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410 following a value change of 384% inside a similar time period, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana in a real sense, is up by 4.2 and presently exchanging at $112.25, which basically is very critical. Furthermore, XRP came to $57 subsequent to seeing a decay of 407% in the steam, which by and large shows that market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $237, 612, 272, 306 in a genuinely significant manner. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market generally is going in a descending heading for most certainly transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a really broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market by and large is going in an especially descending course for exceptionally transient in a genuinely huge manner. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Support, for the most part, is a level at which purchases in a real sense become more genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any fundamentally, further in an extremely huge manner. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which dealers for the most part become truly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they certainly thought. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz CHZ Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz CHZ really is at $14s down 254% in the especially beyond 24 hours and generally has a value change of 17% throughout the week, which explicitly is very huge. 1 day. Exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 166, 476, 38 as West, while certainly complete market cap came to $1, 212, 217, 246 as West in a huge manner. There sort of are practically 888, 290, 622 truly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing that, as of now, an all things considered general fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a sort of descending bearing for a especially present moment, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz Value Investigation (CHZ) cost examination for 28 February 2024 inside an especially day-to-day time period generally made sense of beneath, which for the most part shows that Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which by and large is very huge. We utilize commonly relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including genuinely basic moving truly normal SMA and dramatic moving exceptionally normal EMA to truly examine the future development of the Chilliz, exhibiting that furthermore XRP came to 0.57 in the wake of seeing a decay of 407% in esteem, which in a real sense shows that market examination over the in every way that really matters last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $237, 612, 272, 306 in a very enormous manner. The sort of relative strength record RSI for CHZ coin basically is at present drifting at 28 for 14 days exceptionally normal line, which explicitly implies CHZ basically is in oversold zone and a pattern in every practical sense inversion truly is all things considered, conceivable in a genuinely significant way. The coin, for the most part, is going down as it basically break under two urgent help levels of $0.17 and $15 in a significant manner. The market in every practical sense isn't reasonable for bulls, and certainly bears could fundamentally take CHZ towards the really next help at $13, sort of additional appearance how these occasions basically show that the market truly is going in and in every practical sense, descending course for extremely momentary incredibly. The CH-Zoost moving certainly normal combination and difference MACD pointer in a real sense is demonstrating an extremely present moment in a real sense sell most certainly signal as the MACD line especially is moving beneath kind of sign line which basically implies sort of bears generally are ruling on the lookout. All things considered, further appearance how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, while CHZ's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 61,238 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition. Exchange certainly signal by and large is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how the coin basically is going down as it in a real sense break under two pivotal help levels of $0.17 and $15, which basically is genuinely huge, ends Chilliz for the most part. Has commonly scarcely any recuperation risks and could generally